What's going on, guys? It's Andre. Today we're back with another video, and today we have these Cherry 11s. Now they're not too bad, but I don't have a video up on them yet, and this pair, it's pretty dirty, so this is gonna be a nice example to show you guys how to clean your pair, and we're also going to be unyellowing them. So let's get right into it. All right, so to begin the cleaning, I'm going to be using some Rejuvenator. I'm going to add a little bit of dish detergent in there, mix it in with some warm water. And I'm going to start off with my medium texture brush and go ahead and start the cleaning. And after cleaning certain portions of the shoe, I just grab my microfiber cloth and just use that to go ahead and dry up the soap. Alright, so now I'm switching over to my stiff texture brush to go ahead and clean up the midsole area and the outsole portion of the shoe. Alright guys, now we're going to start prepping for the icing sessions. So I'm using some acetone with a cotton round rag. And luckily there's not too much dirt on the soles, but you guys can see like back here, see those dirt marks? So I'm just going to take the cotton round, go like so. And you can see it removed it. So I'm just going to do this for all those dirt marks. And if the grooves were dirty, which they aren't thankfully, I would just use a cotton swab and just go in between these lines. So now we're on to the icing portion of the shoe. Using some CCK sole sauce. I have a paintbrush here. I already cut out the pieces of plastic wrap that I'm going to be using. And so pretty much to show you guys how I'm going to apply it. Right here. I'm just going to go around. Avoid the traction pods as best as possible. But if it gets on there, it's not really a problem just as long as you're not getting too much on there. And this is leather, so you'll be fine if you get the sauce on it. You don't want to get the sauce on like nubuck or suede materials like that. Okay, so now for the annoying part, which is putting the plastic wrap on. So we're just gonna go like this. Make sure we know our distance. Go like so. I like to press in the insides here. And then go like this. And if you want, you can use a heat gun to go ahead and just try to seal it. But I'm not going to do that right now. Sometimes in the process of doing that, it kind of messes it up. So I'm going to go like this. So I'm aiming to do a 24-hour session. It really just depends on how fast the sauce dries out. If we have them sealed well enough and enough cooling, you can do sessions even 30 hours. So I'm going to check back in the morning and see how they're looking. Alright guys, so I have some slight spots on the mesh that didn't come out. So I have a mixture of some warm water, bleach, dish liquid, the Rejuvenator, and then some distilled white vinegar. Just a little bit of everything, and we're going to use that. With the toothbrush, just go ahead and scrub those extra little stains. Alright guys, the shoes are completely finished at this point. You guys can see everything is nice and clean. Soles iced up after one session. All I did was one session. They iced up pretty nice. Could have done another one, but honestly, it looked pretty much flawless. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want this treatment done to your own sneakers, DM me on Instagram at DreStorations. You see it right here. If you have any questions or concerns, drop a comment or DM me. I'm always happy to help. Like, share, and follow, and I will see you guys in the next one.